back, guys. Antonio. We are doing another tutorial today, and our tutorial entails water detector systems. I want to show you the areas that you want to have these little tester boxes. Super important. They're not that expensive, and it's a great piece of insurance. So, you know, this client has a nice size aquarium down here, as you can see. Okay, this is a 125 gallon tank down here. Now, if something ever happened to that tank, you know, you'd have a little bit of a flood. He has a sump pump right next to the tank here. Let me show you here. And this has a water detector right on the floor down there. Let me show you guys. That little white box there, that's a water detector. And let me show you something here. So, there's a couple prongs on the bottom of this guy. So when this gets wet, it sends an alarm. Hold on. Good. So that alarm then sends a notification to my phone, okay? Or your phone, or whoever's phone. It's all hooked up to your Gmail account. You'll get text messages that there's a water leak in a particular location. And this location is called the sump pump area, which it's labeled on his smartphone. There's another location. Let me just put this back. We don't want to forget. In the washer and dryer area of this bathroom, there is another detector, which is on the floor. Let me see if you guys can see it down there. Little white box, okay? So if you get a flood from your washing machine, a hose breaks, which, let me tell you, I could tell you stories about hoses breaking on washing machines, okay? That's for another segment we're going to have a talk about. But those hose break, the sink or something, you know, has a broken line, that water detector goes off if you're not home. It happened to many of my clients. It happened to a family member of mine. But, you know, that'll be for another segment. We'll talk about that. Then we have another one in this utility room here. Okay. So this is the hot water heater room. Somebody picked it up and put it on the hot water. It's not doing any good there. This belongs down here on the floor. There's a boiler system here. Let me show you. So this is all water. Big boiler system, a lot of water going through these lines and steam. You know, the hot water heater, this is probably about 6 years old. I installed that for them. So, you know, it's a great piece of insurance. You know, you can get these online. I know you can buy probably at the Home Depot and Lowe's. And, you know, you put them around underneath your sinks. You know, they make packs of 6 or whatever. Or you can get a pack of 3, however many you need. And you can label them. You can name them to what location you have. And like I said, you'll get a notification coming to your phone. And then what you do is, if you're not home, you know, you call a neighbor, you call the house, you know, talk to your wife, your kid, whoever it is. Say, listen, you got to get to my house. I think I have a water leak. Sometimes they go off falsely. If your cleaning lady is cleaning the bathroom, because it's happened to me. So if it's on a Tuesday, I know it's my cleaning lady. So she's kind of figured out that she needs to pick it up when she's cleaning the bathroom. But yeah, so, you know, great tutorial, guys. So definitely pick some of those up. They're not real expensive. They do make another one, which is just the one you place down under the sink, and, you know, you don't get the notifications on your phone. You will get a siren, though, that goes off. So if you're sleeping and you have a leak in the middle of the night, boom, you'll hear that siren. But for the better ones, Govee makes one, Govee, and that's the one that I use, and I recommend to all my clients, and it's a great product. So hope that helps you guys. I think it's great information. So have a great day, and we will see you on the next tutorial. Thanks again. Subscribe, like, and make sure you hit the subscription bell to get all the videos so you don't miss any. All right, guys, take care.